If this story sparked your curiosity, share it with someone who loves mysteries. Drop a comment. Would you explore this place or leave it alone? And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden corners of our world, subscribe to Obscure Archive. There's a lot more waiting in the dark. What if a hole in the ocean had no bottom? What if the deeper you went, the stranger the water became? Would you want to know what's down there? Or would you leave it alone? Because in a quiet bay in Mexico, scientists lowered instruments into a hidden underwater hole. 100 feet, 200, 400, still no bottom. And when the readings came back, they didn't make sense. Stay with me. This gets weird. It started in 2003 when a fisherman noticed something strange while chasing a fish. The fish vanished, straight down into dark water. Years later, his son returned with researchers. They began measuring the hole, 1,000 feet, then deeper still, over 1,300 feet, and still no end in sight. They named it Taam Ja, the deepest known blue hole on Earth. And somehow, it was hiding in plain sight. Blue holes form when underground rock slowly dissolves. Eventually, the ceiling collapses. Water fills the space. From above, they look like dark circles in the ocean. Most of them are easy to spot. Taam Ja isn't. Even drones flying directly overhead barely detect it, almost like nature didn't want it found. In 2023, scientists lowered special instruments into the hole. They expected the water to get colder as it went deeper. Instead, it got warmer, saltier too, matching the open Caribbean Sea. But Taam Ja is buried deep inside a protected bay. So how is ocean water reaching it? The only explanation is hidden tunnels beneath the rock, secret underwater pathways connecting places we can't see. And here's the twist. Taam Ja sits near the ancient asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs. That impact may have fractured the ground, creating hidden passageways still shaping the ocean today. During early exploration, something even stranger happened. The bay was rough with waves. But directly above the hole, the water was calm. Then slowly, water began rising from the center. Not splashing, not erupting, breathing. Divers said it felt like the place was alive, reacting to their presence. That's when the fear set in. At those depths, oxygen disappears. Pressure becomes crushing. Yet tiny organisms still survive. Some blue holes even contain toxic clouds that can burn skin and destroy equipment. If Taam Ja goes even deeper, it could contain ancient microbes locked away for millions of years. Life that doesn't exist anywhere else on Earth. And that matters, because if life survives there, it could survive on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. Humans can't dive that deep. Even elite divers rarely go beyond 1,000 feet. The pressure would crush normal equipment. So the only way forward is robotic submarines, ROVs, sent into the darkness. Maybe one day we'll finally see the bottom, if there is one. Even in 2026, there are still places on Earth that remain untouched, unseen, unanswered. Sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't in the stars. They're waiting quietly beneath the water. If this story sparked your curiosity, share it with someone who loves mysteries. Drop a comment. Would you explore this place or leave it alone? And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden corners of our world, subscribe to Obscure Archive. There's a lot more waiting in the dark.